If you want to learn how to make a big, baggy, button-up shirt fit you with just a safety pin, then stick around. Hi everyone, it's Scrappy Treasures. I help you alter your clothes to fit you, and today I'm going to show you a really quick sort of DIY hack with just a safety pin. And this is going to make a really baggy sort of button-up shirt fit you a lot better so that it won't bunch over if you tuck it in. Let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is wear your shirt and look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, turn around and look at the back of the shirt as best as you can. I want you to bring in however much you want to in the back so that the front of the shirt lays straight. I don't like to bring it all the way into my waist like this. I think that makes the shirt bunch up a little bit. So I just like to make it so the shirt lays straight on the sides. And doesn't go out or it doesn't wrinkle up like that. Once you've decided how much to bring in, pin it in place with a safety pin. Now once you've gotten that perfect, take off your shirt and lay it onto a flat surface, making sure it's inside out, okay? And I want you to take the pin off and put your fingers on exactly the 2 points the pin was. Now I want you to bring those points together with small tiny pleats. Keep these pleats about roughly the same size and very neat. You're going to thread your safety pin through each pleat. Once it's done, it should look something like this. Now when you turn your shirt around, now this is when it should look very neat. It should just look like your shirt is gathered together in the back, okay? Now wear your shirt again and make sure it fits you how you like. If it's too tight, if it's too loose, if the back isn't straight, if it doesn't lay at your waist or where you want it, just redo the last steps, okay? Because once you have this pinned in place, this will last you several wears. So really take your time with this. All right, now this is how the shirt looks in the end. Notice that when I tuck this in, it lays flat on me. It looks a lot more neater. It fits me much better and it doesn't spill over. I'm also going to cuff the sleeves because the sleeves are very big on me, and that will make the sleeves fit me a little bit better too. Now here's a before and after. Look how much of a difference this makes. Just pinning it in the back and cuffing the sleeves. And even if the shirt doesn't fit you, make it look like it fits you a little better. Alright, so that's it for my tutorial. If you want to learn how to actually alter it with a needle and thread, I have a whole playlist on how you can get started hand sewing and altering your clothes, and I have linked that up here. Like if you like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you want to see my next DIY video, and I will see you next time. Bye!